If you're trying to improve your credit, qualify for better financial opportunities, or finally understand what lenders are actually looking at, you're in the right place. Welcome to Credit with Karla. I'm Karla, and on this channel, I break credit down into simple, practical steps so you can understand what's happening on your credit profile and make smarter financial decisions. We're going to talk about things like building and rebuilding credit, credit reports, collections, and charge offs, credit utilization, credit cards, personal and auto loans, banks, credit unions, and what you should know before applying for financing. And I don't want you just chasing a credit score. I want you to understand how the pieces work together so you can build a stronger overall credit profile and become a more informed borrower. So, whether you're starting over, rebuilding after financial challenges, preparing for a major purchase, or simply trying to learn how credit really works, there is something here for you. I've organized the channel so you can learn step by step. So, start with the Build and Rebuild Your Credit playlist and work your way through the videos. And if you want more practical credit education without all the confusing jargon, hit subscribe and join me. Build better credit, make smarter money moves. I'll see you in the next video.